Hello friends, good morning. Welcome to our zoology class. In our previous class, we have discussed about locomotor structures in protozoans, especially we have completed pseudopodia. Today in this class, we are going to learn about flagella. Okay, let us start. See, mastigophore and protozoan. So these are protozoans, these are single celled. Okay, let us take some examples and then and then we can learn number of flagella and their arrangement. Okay, see, first one, Trypanosoma gambiense. We know that sleeping sickness is due to this Trypanosoma gambiense. It is very important, friends, and the number of flagella present in this Trypanosoma gambiense is only one. Okay, and the flagellar arrangement means the flagella in this Trypanosoma gambiense is present at posterior end of the body. Okay, it is present at posterior end of the body. Next, Euglena. We know this Euglena. In this, two flagella are present, and how they are arranged means how these two flagella are arranged means they are parallel but they are unequal, friends. Okay, they are parallel but they are unequal, like that. Next, Serratium. Serratium, in Serratium also two flagella are present, but how they are arranged means they are arranged at right angles to each other. Okay, they are arranged at right angles to each other. Next, Trichomonas vaginalis. Its full name is Trichomonas vaginalis. Um, it causes some infectious diseases also, friends. Okay, now we are discussing about flagella means let's continue this only. This Trichomonas vaginalis, in this four flagella are present. Okay, in this Trichomonas vaginalis four flagella are present. In this Giardia or Giardia, we may pronounce in any way. Okay, this Giardia or Giardia, number of flagella or four pairs. Four pairs means eight flagella are present. Okay, in Trichonympha. Okay, in this Trichonympha many flagella are present. Okay, now let us discuss the type of flagella and how the appendages are present, and that flagella is means based on this they are terminal or naked, and let us see some examples. Okay, first, types of flagella. Mainly they are classified into five types: strichonematic, pantonymatic, acronematic, pantocronematic, anematic. Okay, okay. Next, lateral appendages. These are also called flimmers or mastigonemes. Lateral appendages, flimmers or mastigonemes. In this trichonematic, only one row of lateral appendages are present. See, here if we observe the lateral appendages, only one row. So they are arranged only in one row. Okay. If we observe the terminal naked axial filament, so and means they have not discussed anything about this because just we had to observe this. Okay, in this only a one row of lateral appendages are present. Examples: Euglena, Astacia. Okay, Euglena and Astacia. Next, pantonymatic. See, in this trichonematic, lateral appendages only on means they are present only on one side, right? See, if we observe the pantonymatic, in these two or more rows, so lateral appendages are two or more rows. Okay, and examples for this are paranema and monas. Paranema and monas. Next, acronematic. See, in this lateral appendages are absent. Lateral appendages means these short, these ones. Okay, in this we haven't drawn any appendages, right? So in this lateral appendages are present, but here the axial filament is present, friends. Okay, in this lateral appendages are present but axial filament is present. Examples: Chlamydomonas and Polytoma. Chlamydomonas and Polytoma. Next, pan pantocronematic. Pantocronematic, in this also two or more rows are present, but in this axial filament is present. Okay, see, in pantonymatic and pantocronematic, in this both, if we observe, two or more rows of lateral appendages are present, whereas in pantonymatic axial filament is means they didn't mention about that, but in this axial filament is present. Examples: Arceolus and Chilomonas. Arceolus and Chilomonas. Next, anematic. Anematic. A means without, so all are absent, like that. So in this anematic, lateral appendages are absent, terminal or the naked axial filament is also absent. Examples: Chylomonas and Cryptomonas. I think it is useful for you friends. Thank you.